Friends, in this video, I'm going to show you why you should copy our trades, which looks like this, and how it works and how easily you can do the setup. So this video is probably for those who don't want to trade by themselves. We do not provide any signals. We just provide the copy trading service, and by using our UID, you can use this social trading feature of Pocket Option and copy our trades like this automatically into your Pocket Option account. So let me guide you on that properly. But before, let me tell you how we make the trade. Okay. Before making these three trades, we do lots of demo trades in our demo account. We test several of the strategies, and when we find it takes hour, okay, to find a particular strategy that works on the real time while we are making the trade. We find that, and then only we switch to our real account and we make that trade. So everyone who is copying our trade by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, they can automatically copy that those trade in their account. So as you can see in the screen, these two are the recently working strategy that we have used, and these are the parabolic SAR strategy. And I'm not going to explain the strategy right now in this video, but you can see the video that I have played at here. We execute the trade in our mobile phone so that we can upload that as a shorts in our YouTube channel. That's why you have seen this video, and this is the parabolic parabolic SAR strategy that we have used in the OTC currency pair to make the trade by making lots of demo trades firstly in our demo account. Okay, so what happens, we have given our link to a free Telegram channel in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. You can click on that link and join our free Telegram channel, and you'll see a latest instructions there that you need to follow in order to obtain our UID. Once you follow that instructions, then you will get our UID. Now you simply need to log into your Pocket Option account, and then you just go to social trading feature of Pocket Option, and then click on this and click on search. Just paste the UID that you get from us. Now this is not my UID. I'm just showing you it as an example. So once you put that UID at here, a name will appear which looks like this. Just click on that name and click on copy. Now you'll see these four boxes. Now these three boxes have no use. Okay, I would suggest you to not touch any of these three boxes. Okay, if you want to put stop balance and you have like $1,168 in your account and you just want to risk $168 in our copy trading service, then you withdraw your $1,000, just put the $168 in your account, and you don't need to touch this stop balance. Okay, and in case of minimum and maximum copy trade amount, I have already shown you. You can go back and see we only make $200 per trade in each trade. So whenever you make change to any of these copy in proportion, then that amount of trade will be automatically copied in your account. So you don't need to touch these boxes. Okay, these three boxes, do not touch it at all. So 100%, if you copy our trade 100%, that means we make $200 per trade, and if you copy that, you will also copy $200 per trade. But if you reduce it to 1%, then if we make $200 per trade, then you will copy $2 per trade only. Okay, similarly, if you increase that to 10%, then you will copy only $20 per trade. So you can increase or decrease this amount as your choice. It is your choice completely, but we make $200 per trade in each trade. Once you have done all of this, then just click on this confirm, and you will start to copy our trade automatically in your Pocket Option account.